Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday said that the government would plan out initiatives to create awareness on the Meghalayan age era. The Chief Minister made the announcement at an interactive program with beneficiaries of CM Elevate and Focus, which was held at Shillong and participated virtually by different districts and blocks from across the state. According to the Chief Minister, the Meghalayan age is being globally discussed by geologists and it would be apt for the people to learn about it. In the program, checks to the beneficiaries of Focus Scheme and CM Elevate were distributed.
Honorable Minister for Agriculture and Health.
3.57 lakhs, 900. No.
We have big dreams, we have big goals. And yes, a lot of people look at us and say, this guy's crazy. And we say, no, we may not be that crazy, but we are very ambitious because we want to make sure that we are able to move forward and make our state, as I said, one of the better states. We have seen a lot of challenges in the last many months, many years and decades. And Meghalaya has suffered a lot for multiple reasons. I'm not here to analyze those. But right now, the momentum that we have been able to create in the last 6 years to 7 years is the kind of momentum we require now to move the state further.
To streamline tourist transportation